Very selfish word. Always thinking about myself.
I am weak. A two-letter word that show togetherness. I am ego. Ego is the most dangerous three-letter word that break relationship.
A beautiful four-letter word with is essential for relationship.
I am a smile. Five-letter word that make you beautiful. So, smile please.
I am Ruma. The most dangerous six-letter word. Always ignore it and never believe it. I am success. A seven-letter word which make you famous in all around the world.
I am jealousy. The most negative eight-letter word which spoil your whole life.